And an update now today, Planned Parenthood tells 6 News, construction is underway at its Omaha Health Center location. They expect that to be finished sometime around May. And they add the center looks to expand abortion access in the state to 3 to 4 days per week and have better access to family planning. This all comes after organization officials announced that they were consolidating health centers and eliminating 36 positions across the Midwest. Planned Parenthood says they've been dealing with challenges, including provider shortages, increasing charitable care costs, as well as threats from hostile states. In addition, the Susan Knapp Health Center in Des Moines is relocating and expanding later in the year.